Hello, my amazing people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the area where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another delicious matter come again. Now, who we wan watch today, my people? We wan watch Enogie is Priceless, aka Enogie TV, aka Baba Nora. Baba Nora don provoke as he say him wife not get good character. Say Mama Nora get very bad character. No be to born for one man. Say the woman get good character. Hey, my people, make una come lis ten to tori wowo from Enogie mouth. E don set for the family. Wahala dey o. My people, I like to leave una make una watch this very video. Please don't forget to like and share. Drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. Enogie say make una no dey address Mama Nora as Enogie wife. She's not a baby mama. Wahala not too much. My people, make I leave una. Please guys, don't forget to like and share this video.
Depression still dey worry man. No be only woman depression dey worry. Since I know this woman, share this video for me. Because number one, yes, my marriage is cancelled. For real. It's cancelled for life. It is better for me not to be married than for me to be married. When I share this video, at the verse a woman that loves you will not go on TikTok live video to talk about the husband. Tell it down and send me your account. I'll put your money for you. Listen and listen carefully. Oh no where. Say me aye. Oh no where. A woman that loves you will not go on live TikTok to talk about you. I married a foolish woman. Sorry I'm saying this, I married a lousy woman. I married an illiterate as a woman. Share this video for me. I have tried to make things work. But as it stands now, I don't want again. As it stands now, I don't want again. Share this video, give me love and like. I married a foolish and a stupid woman. And it's going to be forever and ever. If you ask me, the biggest regret ever is to know somebody like Osarume say, share this video. This is not a prank. Number one, this saga go long for ground. You long for ground because why? I have kept quiet not because I'm a fool. You quarrel, you run a entire video, go to disgrace me. Somebody you called your husband, somebody you called your love, somebody you say, when I never marry you, I did see those red flags. I thought maybe you will change. If I don't put money for your head, I think say maybe you change. I feel and I think say you change. May nobody blame me because she has been on that live video since 5 hours talking rubbish. Both the one when I talk. But the one, I'm not saying many people not blame you. You know, say for those cyberspace. If person saga you, saga. As me and the quarrel now, some people go still support her. Why some go support me? I'm not giving my enemy's topic. Share this video. Now me fair come on life, no. So relax and let it slide. A lot of quarrels don't happen when it be say they'll beg me, they'll beg her. So many of my fans. Social media president is number one. Social media president don't have vessels tire. Most especially she. Number one thing when Mama Nora take me some for life. She is always quick to use people to compare our relationship. Osarumense is always quick. Listen, is always quick to use me to compare other people. Cynthia Love is aware of some things. Cynthia Family TV is aware. Omopi TV is aware. Social media president and his wife is aware. Wazigbe. In Yatana Yatori, if these people not there aware, if Abolamegbe, when I share this video, why only tell me stop? Because before, people will beg me, I can't paint on, say a prank. Number one, respect is given. Respect is earned. Now this mugu. Lady Precious Meg, I will advise you at this point to just stay out of it. Because Umami no Sunu, you have tried your best to talk to me, but I don't want to. Wait a minute now. If I too spend for this journey, when I follow now this, so 1 month I'm out of Germany. 1 month I'm out of Germany. I swear with God Almighty. Before I come back to Germany, give me my children go do go like 18 years. That single mother lifestyle, with the way she wants, she'll say and leave. Okay. Now, listen and listen carefully. I go to talk with the tell now this thing on a very classy way. We be saying I'm going to understand me. It takes two people to drive a relationship. This is not a prank. Share this video. If you know you follow me back a lot for marriage, if you know say you follow me back a lot for marriage, both are Shebi and all. Now we make una buy that cloth. She know to say she no provide the money. Now me and I go gather pay the money. If she pay half, I go pay half. Listen and listen carefully. A woman that have an evil heart can never make a man to be successful in life. A woman who have an evil heart can never make a man to be successful in life. No matter what you put your hand, it doesn't work. It's not the work. You're the cash wish. You call the cash people who not supposed cash. This woman has disgraced me not once, not twice. The first one. And so my boss asked here. People beg me, Enogie. I beg. I rest. I let go of everything. December last year, this woman pushed me. I don't do New Year for house. December last year. Social media presidents are aware of this. Cynthia Love is aware of this. Omopi TV is aware. He may tell in case of tomorrow. She says she'll change. And now what ma? Now see I. Osarume say derive pleasure in putting me into a problem. If you ask me today, who is your number one enemy? We don't want me to get document for this life. I'm a manora. Because of the evil atrocities she has done to me, she is now being scared that if I get doku, I feel bagger. Since you bring everything come media, I'm all for ourselves for social media. I'm tired of being matured. My destiny is not tied to anybody. If we break up today, as far You went to that TikTok to say a lot of rubbish. Both the ones that are true, both the ones that are not true. Anytime we get quarrel, you create school TikTok live. Why you not fit go on Facebook? I try to stop you not to go on live on Facebook. Because why? Husband and wife, they quarrel. Yes. Husband and wife, they quarrel. But anytime we quarrel, you go want make you go on live. Or you want to go tell for social media. If not say you want to fool me. But you dey say you dey fool me, you dey fool yourself. Not be you dey give document for Germany. But if you married a good wife, I know of a lot of my friends who be saying, man, they get stressed when you pass my own then. But today, a lot of them get some 2 children, some 1. Not be she they give. But when you are in the midst of bad people, you cannot be successful in life. Share this video, give me love and like. Now, number 1, you say I dey maltreat my children when me use my prick bone. Not be the first time we dey talk am, not be the second time, not be the third time. So that simply means there is something fishing that I do not know. Now only know that DNA test now I don't do. Because when I was being transferred from Bayern Munich to Northern Westphalen, they requested for a DNA to prove that I'm the father of Nora. If you beat them twins, if them do bad, or you beat Nora, if them do bad, or you beat, no, the small one, I might have your name. If you beat Nora and the twins, na normal. If I beat Nora and twins, na bad thing. I stand to tell you today that I need a DNA test from the twins to the twins. The only person when I did okay with now, say now my own blood, now with DNA or Nora, share this video. Give me love and like. Because if not really my children, I dey correct them so that they will not go astray in life. This one are Europe, not be Africa. Where therefore they train Pikin in an African way. We dey Europe, if Pikin do something, listen to me. If Pikin do something, sometimes you scold them. Not very that they beat person, but who will fear me? Children feel worship for granted. But as it stands now, I need a DNA test on the twins to the twins. I need a DNA test. I said something just now that this video is going to shock, disappointed some people. Now when they say a prank, let's watch and see. Now that one is for them. Wa fiya mi normal no. Wa gbenora normal no. But menerian agunyagwan okay problem. I be a candyman wow, but you don't they use them against me. To the extent now, if they do bad thing, I quarrel with them, they will come meet you, come cry. To let you know, say, eh, baba we gui magui, na o, do guan. You know that. Iya is everywhere. Marry way. Ah, you ma always saga here for life. You are not worthy to be a mother. I caused the day I brought you to Germany. I caused the day I asked you to born for me. I caused that day I asked you to born for me. Not be today you start out. You don't disgrace me for a lot of people present. You don't insult me on a call conversation when you don't call with your friends. Let's go into comparison. This mugu that calls herself Osawame say, this idiot, this stark illiterate. If somebody your call and now say, I wanna what here, Baba na where? My husband and Nazma oh. My husband they use us play. My husband love me. This idiot go they use that for me for his house. You they use that for me for his house. Share if you don't listen a prank. But the mama fit beat them. But me, I can't fear me. You can't be correct them with math. No problem. There be children. I pray they grow to see the kind of, because in some days from now, I will be out of Germany completely. This is where I said, because honestly, I don't want to go this extent. But she pushed me, go on live video, talk rubbish, not the way she not talk. More than let me talk, because master they get feeling. I go go on. Person where they laugh, better pass person where they cry. Me when they do this video, no say I don't want again. I don't need that. I get father shaft for the children. Say yes. Now me born them. Well, more barely, but I still need the DNA because of tomorrow. Children they resemble person, but you need the DNA, yo. Mominora memory is so dumb that if person tell her now say your husband they take care of and well, your husband they nice. This mugu go they bring me down for your friends. Not be one, not be two, not be three. Anybody, me never see one day when Usawa say go you can't advise people. Add maybe husband and wife who can't carry matter come. I never hear them one day. Me wanna see for years so. I don't sleep friend's house. As popular as I am. I don't sleep. Nobody should tell me it's enough. Because when she was on live talking rubbish, this is not the first time she dey go on live. So no one not they tell me say it's enough. Where is that man? Where is enough? I go. Because dog by ayagwa. Ya agwa. Me agwa. If I lie, marriage, as a married woman, even before she was married, she was constituting a lot of nuisance. Mama no your believe say for this Europe, man not get wetin go fit tell you as a woman. Now you will be the woman, get what you fit tell the man. You say I don't love my children, I know they work, I know they go school. Now me they help you go they drop these children for school every day. Now me still they help you. They carry these children, they come back. Lady Precious Meg is a witness. Cynthia family is a witness. Social media president is a witness. I clean that house 24/7. If you ever saw you nobody tell me I stop. Why want to call me? If I don't do it, I want to do. People way back lot, I give them their money. That ebo where they use for if you don't clear for yeah. By the time go tell look and say what you do, so it don't late. Share this video for me. Alright. May bloggers carry on. May anybody use and saga me. It is better for people to laugh me. It is better for people to laugh me than to cry me. I married an idiot as a wife. I married a classless woman as a wife. Monga movie mo bia kana yesku. Ni yan ho na de. We met 2019. 2020 in Oranare. Since this woman you take come for camp, enter the first house where she enter. Police come 2 times in year 2020. In year 2021, police come 4 times. In year 2022, police come 5 times. There was even a time Zibensi is still alive. Davina in Bremen. I'll go sleep. Someone say friend's house. I'll go sleep my guy's house. Iye. Ma wa gwa kiro wa ki window. As this window you be, I go you open now. Any little thing, the woman that lost you will not run into me there now. When I let me talk, why you call you man? You go marry the phone eh? Ogun ya gbo sawe, o sawe say asun. All day by wife about like be. Ogun ya gbo eh. Me, where they keep quiet since then say, make this thing not spoil, make this thing not spoil. Not because I don't know what they do. Me, they admit sometimes if I wrong am. Yes, I'm not perfect. I'm a human. I dey wrong am sometimes. But you see that fool wey call himself Osama say, she has never for one day admit say she don't ever wrong me. Say I dey beat am. So cut the whole story short. Wetin happen of recent we can't bring this kind of saga. She dey misbehave before. You get one video wey come out when she tasting me with one girl for club. Ote meme. A power certain matter ni. It's better for me to be with a single mother that will give me peace of mind than for me to be with woman wey say born for me, no they give me peace of mind. This is why I'm doing this video today, to clear the air, to let everybody know that Mavoku na yeti marry Wariana Wariawe. How soon we wagun Babola agbe. When you me yasa guy, me yasa guy, mona ask him, woman wey say born 4 children for my no know my house. Oma wame, my whole house, she don't know. Me almost will consaga me. Forget almost will matter jare. My mental health matters a lot. It's not good me almost will saga me make me their life. Therefore, almost will not to saga me. I can't bear that. As woman get stressed, as woman get stressed. If not that, I'm a strong person. Me myself, I don't get depressed. A woman that loves you will not bring you down for a friend to start with. A woman that loves you, you get where correct on the rich before person will say you want to call police. Few days ago, I wake up in the morning. Everywhere was dirty. I sweep. All the pick something for ground. Now I remove and come off from here and say, will you live there? Because if she swallow that thing, a party social media president for now. If she swallow that thing, Marianne Aroye, he said, well, I go talk to audience like that. This thing, I peel and I say, make this thing now, Sand already did this thing. We can't argue. She say, nonsense. I say, me, nonsense. He say, nonsense. I'm not the homeless, so I don't see my address I did. The reason why I left the house, I don't want me she can't do whoa push. Because when she run her mouth since, me not do whoa. Oh, but when nobody call me, oh God. Why nobody call? Why you calling me? When she did TikTok, why I not call her? Enogie, be calm down. You are a man, you are a man, you are a man. Man not get feelings. I don't lie. She insults me. I slap her. I don't lie. Yes. Because I don't wear me down, you be down girl. You can't tell someone a man you are married to that is doing nonsense. Even people don't quarrel with and severally say, if these children do bad, allow their papa to quarrel with them. Not this shout for their papa again. Not only you want to get her to be the children, not only you want to get her to correct them. If the papa want to talk to them, no. If papa say make it see nag them because they do evil. No. In the as a man. As I slap her, she said, hey, you slap me, no problem. Woman wey no say we want to do marriage. Not a policeman. Police, hello. As the lady name no magbawa. No, police come. They ask me question. What's the problem? Because police can't be like our customer. Now I tell police, say, this woman not let me talk. If I talk, you go say, why use police? Police want to threaten me. Me, they pray me get documents, but police will come. Wait till you they do man before man go come start to beat you. Why we are severe? Any small thing, no give you on the quarter. Come off for. That's why they come off for us forever. Listen good. So that's a police say I not get words of my own as a man. I can't even express myself. Whenever I want to speak, she threatens me with the police. She calls the police for me without thinking. Say, this is my husband, so we're gonna let them deport her. What will people say? She's only concerned about her health. Her health. Her health. Her health. And so they depressed. Her health. Normal German law. Now they listening. If man and woman get issue, now 10 days for outside. Police say no. Police say no. Say I can't spend 10 days outside because the thing doesn't vex them. The only thing I can do now is for me to go out of the house in the morning and come back in the evening. 10 days is no. When I can't see where police for come, they say, normally, if man and woman get issue for journey, you know, 10 days, but police say no. I come over house. The appointment where should they go now, marry you, but like the wagon no book bear. But like go out, Dave Jaguars, and so go away. You know me, I know you must saga yourself. If you don't saga finish, I come off because definitely this video me they do now no say me I not get anything come again live. Now you call for it, and I'm giving it to you. If I left for everything what to saga you, we are here bebory. But if you saga you, no problem. Because maybe this will be the last time you will ever know me or know anything about me. I've kept you quiet, not because I don't know what I'm doing, not because I'm a fool, but I just want to maintain that maturity. I'm tired of being maturity. We're going to be maturity. And maturity as soon. Police don't write our name tire. Now I'm fine. I not get stressed for Germany. I not get problem for Germany. I get 4 children. I not get document. If you go today, they'll tell you on that thing. If you go next tomorrow, they'll tell you say we are preparing it. My people, if now only this police where they come house alone, he reach where they know take give me document. That is why I said I'm done with Germany. I can't stay in this country again. I will leave her alone. I'm not good. I go leave her alone. Let she face her life. I wish her success because of my children. But say me and this idiot come stay together again for the same house. It no go happen because why? Before me can't do this video, I don't zero my mind. Say yes. It's done. Since he called that police for me, I go out yesterday, I come back. So I reach out, children not come greet me. They never even they talk like that. Others will say they'll come tell me, Papa, welcome. I know answer them. So don't start to I did sleep. I was so weak. I looked up. The only person that came to welcome me was the little one. And I also embraced that. Me and I not get any issue because why? I did power for her, I did verse for her. She say, hey, now you blow me, now you knock me now, let me make a cock boss for you. Say, you know, give me that hand. Calling police every time for a man you claim you love, before bride price, after bride price. Now after bride price, it called worst. Had a beer. No respect. She don't know how to talk. Even that day when some issues happen, the way she did talk to Precious Meg, I said, go and apologize to Precious Meg. Tell her that sorry because you were overreacting, you were shouting on her. All she wanted was me will leave Serika no saga her again. So how come you this? You never know Precious Meg you. You never know Precious Meg you. Only with you now on our behalf. Man, okay, baby. So I say, Jamie, they feed you. Jamie is feeding you. You are happy. Total no how go. When man win our way now, you never walk. Jamie, they feed you. Why no call police from her? If na Nigeria, I can't knock you. Say you do what you offend me. You call Nigeria police. You call Nigeria police. Abi? Okay. Because you dey Europe, Germany they feed you. You get a pound on me. You may be. Anytime you take up police, you want me to come outside. No, wait. Oh. How many of my friends don't come sleep my house once? Your mumu chief bridesmaid, go that one, me also the saga that one just now. It will involve a lot of people because why? You can't lie on me with what I did not do to my friends. You give the lie, that's why I tell the wisdom. That's why I lied to Peter just to paint me black to my brothers and my friends. A woman will born 4 children for me. Not the way she not talk. Not the way she not do. A pago collar. Where owo pago collar. Where I'm when you turn here. Where ebu we my strong. I'm a way to where I said when me be. Me need the Germany. When we need the Germany here. Because in few days from now, I will be out of Germany. Una way back cloth. So now when we return our money we will not pay for her. She no fit us say money not vest. She dey craze. Me will not take that money not vest from her. Ozuo. Because where people sit down on their own, now you go tell them say you want to do marriage. As far as the marriage not work, they buy the cloth, you go return their money. We go lose. We will lose. You can't tell me say me they not vest with mass. Uzuo. Because why? Now their hand and money they follow us. Buy that cloth. No. I have told Mommy Miami to please stay away from this. I don't tell her. No. You got to go. People they beg me say, Enogie, calm down. Calm down for what? Calm down for what? If man no woman, and that woman might clean towards that man, nothing not go make that man get document. If not be one presenter, I don't want to mention her name because I can't boy in the video. Where saga her then say you dey celebrate your document and children. What about your husband? Even Frakomos was talking. What about your husband? Why renew? Why do you celebrate him? I repeat, if there's anybody in this life we don't want me get document for this Europe, na Mama Nora. She's so evil. She's a narcissism. She's a narcissist. You know, all those people that way they talk say their husband nice. Now laugh, now they go to laugh you because you be fool. People go to tell you say their husband nice. You go to tell them say your husband not nice. Presenter, a public figure, people that knows you very well. You're going to tell them say me not good. Anybody will go beg me say forgive Mama Nora, go and go. I'd rather die than for me to go back to Mama Nora. I'd rather die. I'd rather be deported to Nigeria than for me to go back to this idiot and foolish woman, senseless, illiterate, that cannot run a home. It takes 2 people to run a marriage. If one person don't run, the person go tire. What be today start to the intermedia? Now me they come, they run, they could they turn and say, now pranko, why is that yo? But now it's not a prank. Presenters can analyze it as they like. She insulted my friends this afternoon. I can't go verse insult her friends back. But later I can't still go to beg all those ones. Egg because why? My way no even get documented alone. Pepper body they follow that man. Talk less off. Because they laugh me. I know they walk. No, Mugu. Osama say no. If I they walk, oh they carry children, they go school for you. If you don't dress, they finish. With 4 children, sometimes the small one will see they sleep. Oh God, they bring them back. Not worry now. Me and Enogie now leave you for this Germany. Make you by yourself they carry them, they go school. Tell Germany say I don't leave you with children. Make them forgive you higher documents. If I do you bad, if I wish you evil, if now so I want me to end, make God not let my own better for me. No, you have always bring me down to your friends, to your families, to your friends, to your families, to your friends, to your families, to your friends. People go they talk, say their husband they try. Mugu, some say go they talk, say no, it ain't not that way. Yahweh, we are dear Germany, Germany there. You serious with your life. Before me know you, why you not serious May you wear it for work. We'll get there. Small, no. Because at this time of the day, I'm really ready for you, like ready for you. You can't do more than a dead rat. I not even hope on Jenny document again. If God want even bless me, may not bless me again for Jenny. May God bless me for the country where I go. It's better I start afresh again than for me to be in a toxic relationship with a woman that have no atom of respect for me. Since you're here and say, respect is end. Respect is end. Now, tomorrow, now. As foolish as you are, Mugu. When you say, you say, make I help you look children. They go appointment. I said, no, I cannot look children for you. I not feel look children for you. You the craze. If you call police for me that day now, because now you make me still do it. I'm not supposed to hit you. Yeah. I regretted it to hit you. Yeah. But you say nonsense. Nonsense. You push me to do it. Not the police, man. Police can't carry me go ass. Police can't carry me that day now. Because for police to tell me, say, no, you are not staying 10 days outside. You are staying just for 1 day. Because the thing don't tire them. So hello, my husband, I record that now. Every record is here. If you don't that one, I'll post on record. You know, you police. Yeah. Now, you know what they tell police? Hello, my husband wants to kill me. Me and the children. Oh, even if there was even a day that one and that happen, police come. He say me walk out. That police say it's not possible. This man address they here. This man address they here. You tell person say me walk out. He dey persuade the man. I'm scared. Me no come. God forbid. May I never met somebody like you in my life. May I never met a foolish, just center, do me well woman that have no atom of respect. If you did Nigeria, I say I made the video and knock you, you call Nigeria police. Some of them way they Germany will be women and they take advantage of men because they not get a bay. You can call police for the man anytime, any day. Why are you not scared of me having document? Because why? You know fully well that if I have document, I will definitely run away. I will run. The only way I will not run now, I tell you, say this marriage you want to do so. Change even a wife. Change 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 you say now the one we should do was pass. In my mind not there here now. You my support her. Our sister too must to support him. See why you tell your man no sense. I thought she would change. Some of you they write and say you know this and you still went ahead to marry her. Now still the same people that will come to me to say, Enogie, please forgive her, she will change, she's your wife. Forgive her, she will change, she's your wife. Forgive her, she will change, she's your... Now it end up for where this one. Now it end up for where this one. So for now, you will thought they'll settle. If we even settle, for example, does it stop anything? It not change anything. We settle, will not settle. The write-up where police city write my document for grant, deal with them already. Say so and so day of it or just I removed that away from live video. Because they charging me since morning. Yeah, the live video ban, I can remove them to avoid her not to go on live. Because I do not have access to her TikTok. She went on live said a lot of things. The prayer when I did pray, Baba God, I did on my knees today. The prayer when I did pray. Now we go still support her, no problem. That's life. But the need that when I need that today be say, if I ever offend God to bless me with this kind of a woman, where go they give me so stress, may God forgive me my sin. Because you know why? Nobody will want to listen to me because I'm a man. Yes, I'm a man. Man a stone. Nobody they feel like say man they depressed. Nobody they feel like say man they pass through pains. Which other woman presenter on this those cyberspace where you don't in any way bring your husband leg come out either by prank or by anything? Show me. Show me. Show me now. Say presenter like me and her. I carry you enter Facebook. Not be me you contain the saga. Not be me you contain the do rubbish. Sometimes they advise people for TikTok how they look am. That's why you see this life. Social media is the more you look, the less you see. I'm sorry to all my fans that might be disappointed me doing this. I'm sorry to all my brothers and friends that might be disappointed me doing this. But the truth is that I do not want her again in my life. I don't make preparation to travel out of the country to another European country again to start my life afresh. Because I don't feel carry the children. But the father shaft and Zogoresh deal with me. She can't collect this from me. She don't feel collect her from me. Anytime, any day, I still conjure me. If not for the children where they carry they go school, I believe saying by now I for still they go school. You know, they say I don't do driving lessons. I don't do driving lessons. I don't do driving lessons. I paused my driving license to make you happy, to put money on your head so that you feel change. Now it worst. So what am I doing with you? We don't go 6 years. Children when you say you born for me, I know they fit the talk to them. If I talk to them, no problem. If you talk to them, na normal. That's why I said I needed the DNA. It might not be now. It might not be now. It might be later. I will come back again. Come back again. Anytime God blessed me. Mama Nora, give me 2 years. If na me they do you bad, that 2 years when I want to go for another country, make my life still be like this. No. So I can't come out, my life can't be transformed. Sorry is the end of it all. Sorry is too late when the head is cut off. Everything they talk so, Becky knows about it. Social media president knows about it. Cynthia Love knows about it. Omo PTV knows about it. These are people that also try to stop her, advance her. Say I go spend another time with woman. I go follow woman do New Year. You say it on TikTok always. Now so the single mother can't say you want give me peace. He not give you baby papa peace. People that are not destined to live together. If you like you born fair for now, you all meeting no say me and you we are not destined to live together. The marriage is cancelled, please. Anybody we pay and he want the money back. We paid for her. Yes, of course. I will go there tomorrow. The receipt is with me. I will tell them I need a refund. Yes, a refund. I don't see pay for musician. Maybe you tell me say, you know, if you give me all those money, people will pay will return all their money. Don't allow her to deceive you to say, no, not verse. You dey mad. You dey crazy to tell people where don't buy your marriage clothes, say maybe they're not verse. The marriage is finished. What about the clothes where they buy, where they're not bargain for? Do you know the people that have bought tickets? You know people where don't buy tickets say, we are coming to spice up Enogie marriage. I married a bad wife. I married a woman that is not satisfied. You see, right from when they use me, they compare people relationship. That is where the relationship start to wave. That is where it starts to wave. I saw a lot of red flags. I thought she will change. It is an officer guy you. Uzuo. I brought you to Facebook, and I'm going to take you out of Facebook. If you like, you come back to Facebook. Go open on that page. Yes, Enogie ex-wife, Enogie baby mama. What I will do now, the bride price I paid will be returned. I can't pay so much money on your head, and yet no anthem of respect. All my mates, they don't put money for a year. Now you can't enter. Say I beg you. I begged you because I loved you. I never wanted us to come this low for our haters to mock us. But what did you do? You ran out of live video. No man, a business of the Dutch. You were the year business. You were not the year Dutch at all. If they go Tazi for year much Tazi no. Hello. I come out to get Tazi me come pick you. Don't ever your them much Tazi no. But what did you do? You came outside. You go to saga me for TikTok. Thinking say na me the saga. Yes. Go for ourselves. Please, I'm sorry, my lovers. For those that want to support her, no problem. For those that want to support me, no problem. But for me to do this video, I can't go back to her again. This is what I was avoiding not to do. But now that I've done it, if she still push me again, I'll still come saga her again. Or the baby you once I say if the baby you born when, because I'm no longer my wife. I'm not interested anymore. But from today henceforth, you cease to be my wife for these reasons. Number one, a lousy woman cannot be my wife. A woman that brings our man down in the presence of her friends cannot be my wife. A woman that uses other people's relationship outside to compare her own indoor cannot be my wife. A woman that is not satisfied with what she has cannot be my wife. A woman that wants to live like Rihanna, when the business and government they pay you, cannot be my wife. A woman that wants to be on top of a man cannot be my wife. A woman that thinks we are in Europe or going to police cannot be my wife. I need a woman that understands me. I need a woman that loves me. I need a woman when I go offend. You not go tell anybody. If I sleep, you tap me. Say, honey, what do you do me this evening? Pay me. I need such a woman. I need a woman that is reserved. I need a woman that is reserved. I need a woman that even if they ask and say, my sister, you and your husband they quarrel. They say, no. Yeah. That is the woman I need. That is the woman I need. I do not need a stupid, a stark illiterate. A woman that cannot even put English in a corrective sentence. What you don't do for me? Now me don't even help you for life. You did not make me father. Nah. I have a daughter at home before I met you. I make you a mother. You are in Germany today because of me. I make you a mother. That wish where they say come for you may just destroy your house. Shebi you don't destroy now. You are, oh yeah, where are you, bo? And as far as I don't saga you today, the hatred I have for you will continue to increase forever and ever. I caused the day I met you. How I wish not be you born these children for me. But these children are innocent. You know me, I regret. You'll see anniversary, 9 years, 10 years. You know your husband is a popular person. Your husband is a public figure. Person where you don't even know from Adam. That your mumuchi verse me. And they come for that one. That is a bunny. That one we say go marry Ovigbo. Why? He didn't. Another one, you insult me for her present last. For she to tell you, why are you insulting your husband? She can't support you. Meanwhile, you never want to insult your husband for this idiot we call herself for some present too. No of her friends have insulted their husband in her presence, but she have insulted me. Wait, no get beer, no get mature. Don't allow enemies to laugh you. Don't allow me want me enemy laugh me. Me enemy laugh me. How soon? Nobody should call her my wife again. She's my baby mama. Iyama return the bread price. Igania. But you see this journey, I can't stay in this journey anyhow. And then you be down there. Some women, when you don't want to touch them, you don't want to nag them, they go push you, you go beat them. Now blood will they use? How can you tell a man, the police are rebelling feel away kwa? When we were my strong very on. It was even the day I was crying about my documents. I was nagging, Baba God. You be me. I need a baby. So I need. If a best come just I go upgrade. I be comedian, I get talent. So I cannot be everything for life. No. A marriage now. I get work. A marriage now. I get work. What goes what? See Mumu. See Mumu. See Mumu. A mother of 4. You born for one man. Not to born for one man. I will never in my life again insult any woman. We born for 3 different men. No. God forbid. Not be to born for one man. You get character. Before me converse, naka. If another person use Enogie not get document. If you use and say laugh me, outside I use and laugh me, go good. Go sweet me for a year. I say no problem. You with my woman. You know fully well that I did try to get the coup. If I still get that docu, now your grace so say even if you can give me. But you don't want me that. It is if I can't go another country, I can't get a bay, I will never respect you for life. If you tell me say they sick, I'm not gonna come. That is what you women fail to understand. If you don't punish man, that man can't go get that thing for outside. Waiting if he say you feel give her. For you to make me to do this. You that tells me that I talk too much as a man. You that tell me I talk too much. There's also police or the call for you. Even though that I'm strong, me when they make person laugh, I can't get depressed. Sometimes me, so I go to watch some of my videos just to happy. I can't say laugh myself with my way with brother now. I go put sometimes I go put 2022, 2000. I just laugh. Don't say man they depressed. Nonsense. Mugu. I worry a bit normal. Okay, that worry a bit normal. Can't you pray? Can't you? I mean that you don't stand up for night. Hold my hand. Say, baby, this is your document. You will have it by your prayers. Ya go we ni ri no siwe. Wo me right na ya go be kan ni go me right. Uma we DNA ne. Ya we truth God because more than all we DNA ne. Uma wo yan ni ne. There was a time when they used to laugh me now. I was being until you can't go do DNA. Nonsense. For 5 hours, you did TikTok. My friends, they beg you, drop the TikTok now. No. Oh man, now. The marriage just poor. Mugu. Oh, now when you're with marriage, Oga we, well now. Not the way marriage. Wow, wagmo. Yake Facebook you were. Go and open your Facebook. I'm done with you for good. Ima, I can bring 5 videos. Even when you go born the last one for hospital, I bath my children, I dress them up, I give them food to eat. Yet you have never for one day look into my eyes and tell me, baby, they try. You want to be like Tiandafia, where's you? I don't know that way. They want to go, man. Fool! Fool! Mugu! Egwe! Mugu! That is who you are. Mugu! If evil won't work, since that evil work for your body, you no reason now say, what you want to do, your husband so go pain. I mean no reason now. I go do you. You know I be for body. You say I want to live Richard life. Yes. Richard, Zaza is happy with his woman today. Since Richard married his wife, I never hear story again say, now so your woman get problem. Peaceful. Yeah, you go no market you that away. They gonna let me back tomorrow. I will on New York baby. The boy saga no. I go see hold down. O go never conscience will move. O go no move in a way. You don't think straight. You don't think like this thing. If I talk now, which I don't want to look my husband. Mugu. Wow. At the end of the day, why saga when I don't tell a prank. Then my way to stay. You walk power later. I mean, boy. You when me carry a saga, you want to be mad. The saga, you know, I'll teach you how to play saga in a mature way. With the truth, I never even talk. I never talk. I go sit down. I'll talk. I'll tell them if I lie. I read bebori. You want you lie on. We don't read bebogume. Yeah, pretend that narcissism. A woman that does not wish her husband well. Yeah, I love my children. If I not give you belly, you born those children. Children that you never wanted. Now, if I even make you keep that pregnancy. If I am in Italy, because we not done power worry. We not done power say where you are Italy now. What are you going to do there? Stay here. This man loves you. He not get money, still love you like this. Don't let us say money don't they come small. Oh boy, wow. Una way want go call am. Wa waste time. Someone say adobore, do time me sorry. Oh go yan gbebe. Oh abaye. Mugu. I dey work, I dey receive money for Facebook. E winner. If you make me do your, I dey work. See only video did and the deporter. Because they may be in me. And so one day police, you know say police, if not be God do they stand by me. Now so you come one day. You look into me and tell me you may your beer, your training more. Police will come deep. Now you go even the happy pass by the beg. Please leave him alone. He's my husband. A woman that does not have secrets. A woman that cannot keep. God forbid you in my life. All those people where they tell you say their husband nice. Go marry them, join your own now. Because officially now you ask, I make you a married woman and I'm taking that crown away from your head today and I'm making you a single mother. You are a single mother. Anybody that wants to address us in this saga, call me. Call her Enogie baby mama. Nobody should ever address her as a wife. From this minute henceforth, she ceased to be my wife. Wow, Mugu. If you not view la guana, if you not view la guana, you want era wero. You want era wero. You ma view me rock barrier me. You go to. My first also you won't learn. I paint this parlor. So they do for my children rich. You want to use my children, you want to use me to change to my children. If you use me change to my children, you go here and boy. Go here and boy. Wow, I be you now. You think I know if I got you? Wow. Because I call the tell people. Or you think I call the beg. Me beg. If I beg you about land, no go big me. Yeah, in your way. If you saga me, I'll come out for you again. And you had to tie all worst to say. Wow, soon. The last time, now let you one way you talk. Oh, me, people, Enogie, calm down. Enogie, calm down. Enogie, calm down. You get people. A marriage in me, I hold on. Now because me people they come. I won't know you for Facebook. Nonsense. Wow. May nobody blame me. Nobody should blame me. Nobody should blame me. Shameless fool. Oh why? You want to put this thing for? Open that for me now. Go put page for me now. I tell them you talk. One era they be me. You don't even know how to take the collect money for Facebook. More help you where. We boys do a bully you know what can man. But I'm a single mother. I can never address you as my wife. Don't be. You let us and still go son on level. Maybe you are. Wow. Ogun work be right way. Ogun yak boy no ra. O le gbe right way by. Wow. Wa bo la we gbe since agbegun uri mama. Wa bo ga la we gbe. Please, come. Please. You want to kill me? Kill or boy. Wow. Yes, I'm a single father too. Anybody who wants to saga me, call me baby papa. Don't call me husband. Mumu, Akbawa Bobo, Ewe, Zuo. Go put page now. Yake page. By killing the page, ne? Then, me can sit down. I can't talk. You do talo. I can't talk. She be someone they talk. I can't talk. He go lado. They craze. Wow, Mumu. Depression. Now let woman they do depression. Now let woman they do depression. My sister, forget tradition. What be tradition? As far me, I said no to her again. A tradition won't be tradition. But she ceased to be my wife. Another man sleep with her, not be a wife again. Ogun boss also say asungu. They mad. Mumu Ozuo. You want to say ka that for me ma Mumu. And that for me ma away. I mean wanted to do all those things. You know it's not because of those children they look useless. They say children don't they involve. Are you I want one. Me and you they call they go they insult my friends. They laugh for my head to them. That's why Enogie say we are not good. Enogie, who knows you? You not good. I wear. If not be who know you, Sarah say. People they look for marriage and not see. Me want my hair. Don't say ima undan. You don't see young man talk. But now I know we are for day. A wise woman build her home, and a foolish woman destroys it. No engagement, my dear sister. I'm done with that marriage for good. I'm done with it for good. It might take years all this way. Even her sister not support her. Always me go me pa. He must support her. Or the time we no sense here. We no tell you me go. Ona Nigeria ye na igbo. E ma gbo wo kan wo wa. Abiti yari yo, ime yari yo yagbo wa. At least, yeah na day because we dey Europe. To some of them, if you try for Nigeria, now they try for you. You know, be my God. Tomorrow I'll still get a coup for this life, but it will be very painful seeing another woman come claim your glory. No zuo. Now, arewa no azuo. Man, you are get where we carry your husband. Water. No, Baba God. If I offend you, you can go because on a blessing now. Also, why you where go to buy your no sense. Ozuo, when no they tell person say good morning and good night. If I laugh for what I don't talk, since make my life not better. No, you. When wow, demo suffering and smelling. Depression manager, wow, nonsense. Anytime I see for TikTok, on a wiki page. Wagunwe, you the view bonnet. Why not come up for Germany? He be a marry me. We are never compatible, my dear. I force it, marry. You do age. Mumu. Nonsense. Away.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, Enogie don't para, not be smart, you know. This one wey Enogie para, meaning say a wife and waiting Enogie wife do or Enogie baby mama, according to Enogie. Do Enogie, it really hot. And please don't forget to like and share.